Okay. Today paper number is 567. In that they given the information. There are 3 classes P, Q and R in a school. Each class has 2 sections A and B. Each class has 2 sections A and B. For classes P and R, the ratio of students in section A to section B is 5:3. For class P and for class R also, section A, section B students ratio 5:3. In class Q, half the students are in section A, means in class Q section A is 1, means section 2 is 1 also, both are same. Next one, the average number of students in class P and R together, that is P plus R, equal to 144. Average means into 2. P plus R is 144 into 2. Therefore, it is 288. Next point, the total number of students in Q is 40 more than P. Next point, the total number of students in P is 32 less than R. 32 less than R. Substitute P in this equation, means in place of P, R minus 32 plus R equal to 288. Therefore, from this 2R equal to 288 plus 32, that is 320. Cancellation, R equal to 160. The strength of R is 160. If R is 160, then P equal to minus 32, that is 128. The value of P is 128. And if P is 128, next 40 plus 128, it is 168 is the R. Q is 168. Now, in this P, the sections of A and B are 5:3, means it is 120 is divided 8 parts. In that 5 parts are 3 and 3 parts are B. So, in that if it is divided 8 parts, in that 5 parts are A, means it is 16 5s are 80 and 16 3s are 48. In the same way, divided these into equal 84 and 84 is the. In that same way, in the class R, section A, section B 5:3, means total is 8 is divided into 5 parts, 3 parts, means it is 100, this is 60. This is the total information about this caselet. Now, do the problems. What is the ratio, what is the total number of students in section A of class Q? Q class section A to the section B of class R, R class section B. So, in that section A of Q class is 84 and section B of R class is 60. It is 60. So, this ratio 12 sevens, 12 fives. 12 sevens and 12 fives means this is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. Okay. The total number of students in section B of class P class section B is what percentage of the total number of students in section B of class R? P section B, class P section B is 48, class R section B is 60. 48 is what percentage? 60. In that 12 4 times 12 5 times 5 20 times 20 into 4 80 percentage. For this question this is the answer. For this question this is the answer. Next question, if the total number of students in class P plus Q plus R plus S is 712, in that the total of P is 128 and total of Q is 168 and the total of R is 160. Now, these total and the remaining is, it is 160, 128, 168. The sum of these two is 328, 428, 456. In that 456 remaining are 256. This is the strength of S. Next, what is the difference between the number of students in section A of P class and total number of students of S class? P in section A it is 80. So, in these two difference it is 176 is our answer for this question. 176 is our answer for this question. What is the average number of students? What is the average number of students in section A of Q A plus section B of R B? These two average. Q in A is 84 plus R in B is 60 by 2. The answer is 72. Average is 72. Now, the next question. what is the difference between total number of students in section B and section A, all classes P, Q, R. For difference of section A and section B, for P it is 32, for Q it is 0 difference, and for R difference of both the sections is 40. So, this total is now 72. This total is 72. Next question. Find the wrong number in the following number series. 5, 27, 71, 137, 220, 335. By seeing this series, it is small increasing series. How to identify the logic of this one means by using difference. If it is small increasing series, you must do the difference. It is 22, this is 44, means 66, 88 and 110. So, addition of these two, it is not 220, 225 is our right answer for this question. So, wrong number means it is 220. Wrong number means 220. Next one. It is also small increasing series. It is 840, 832, 827, 802, 753, 632. It is small decreasing series, means now by using the logic of difference. What is the difference of this one is minus 8. For this, the difference of this one is minus 5. For this, minus 25. For this, minus 49. For this, minus 121. This is 11 square, 7 square, 5 square, means these are the prime numbers. Now, it is 3 square and this is 2 square. 3 square means this one is 9, 2 square means this one is 4. So, it is 6. The answer is 836. So, 832 is the wrong answer for this question. Next one. By seeing this series also, it is also small increasing decreasing series, means alternate addition, subtraction, algebraic logic for this series. First one. So, what is this one means? Addition of 1000. For this, what is this one means? Subtraction of 64. For this, addition of 216. Next, it is 10 cube, 8 square, 6 cube, means next one is 4 square, it is 16. Next one is 2 cube, it is 8. So, this one is the wrong answer. Right answer is 2392. 2392. This is the wrong number for this series. For this series, it is addition, this one is subtraction and this one is addition for this series. Next question. X and Y are 2-digit numbers. X is a 2-digit number, please remember. Y is also a 2-digit number. The ratio between these two is 9/7, means it is 9k, 7k. By observing these two, if we interchange the x of digits of the x, then it becomes 45 less than the y. So, y is more. After interchanging the digits of x, how much more means 45 more. Find the difference between x and first find the values of x, and how to find means by putting the values for k. So, it is 2-digit number, means k is not possible for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 also possible for the values of k, but 12 is not possible, because if you substitute 12, it is a 3-digit number. 12 nines are not 8 means 3 digit number, but they given in the question is 2 digit number, means for 2 digit number these are all possible values for k. In these for the satisfying this condition, interchanging the digits of x, it becomes 45 less than y. First substitute 2 means x value is 18. In that interchanging digits, interchange of x is 81. Now y value is 14, but the difference is not 45, not 45. Like that, each and every value you check, in that only one value is answer for this question. What is that value means? If you substitute 9 in the same way, substitute 9 means x is equal to 9 signs are 81. Now interchange of x, interchange of the digits of x is 18, and what is y? Means 7 9s are 63. Now x is, y is 45 more than the interchanging of the digits x, means this is the right answer for this question. So now the value of x is 81 and value of y is 63. Then find the value of difference of x and y. 81 minus 63, the answer is 18. The answer is 18 for this question. Next question. The average of 4 numbers a plus b plus c plus d equal to 20 into 4, that is 80. Average 20 means sum is 80. A is 25% less than that of c. If c is 100, a is 75, means 25 4 times, 25 3 times, it is 3. And b is 25% more than c. If c is 100, b is 125, 25 4 times, 25 5 times. And they given the average of a plus c plus d is 20, means sum is 60. After subtraction from these two, the b value equal to 20. It is 80, it is 60. A cancel, cc cancel, dd cancel, only b is 20. But according to the conditions, b is 5. So if it is multiplied by 4, it is equal to the 20. So the value of a is 12. In the same way, a is multiplied by 4, the value of a is 12, and c is multiplied by 4, it is 16. From these three, total of 4 is 80, means the d is 32. The d is 32. Then what they want to find, the a is what percent less than d. A is how much percentage, means 20 less than d into 100. So 4 5 times, 4 8 times, 8 12.5 into 5 62.5% is our answer for this question. Next question. The percentage of x is 8 years more than z, while z is 4 years younger than y. The ratio of x to y is 7/6. From these two equations, substitute z in this place, that is 8 plus y minus 4, that is y plus 4 after cancellation. Therefore, from this x minus y is equal to 4. In that the difference is 1, but in this 4 means if you multiply this 1 by 4, you will get the exact value. Now this is also multiplied by 4. What is the value of x? Means it is 28. What is the value of y? Means 24. If y is 24, z is 20. Then what they want means find the sum of the ages of y and z. Y is 2 years hence, means y is 24, but 2 years hence means plus 2, z is 20, 2 years hence means plus 2. The answer is 48. The answer for this question is 48. Next question. According to the given information, the table shows the number of males working in private and public and number of females working in private and public in 4 A, B, C, D different cities. The number of male employees in A are 100. the number of male employees in A are 100, means A, the male employees in private is 3x, sorry, it is 30x minus 4y for private employees and 2y is public employees. This total is the number of male employees in A, equal to total male working in private company from B and C together, male private B, male private B according to the given information 32x, and male private C, it is 18y, equal to 308. From these two equations, it is 100. From these two equations, first this multiplied by 9 equate the value of y. So, from this it is multiplied by 9. These calculations plus 2 cancel, it is minus 2y. So, it is also multiplied by 9. It is also multiplied by 9. 270x plus 32, 302x, 18y cancel, 900 plus 308, 1208, 304 times, means x value is 4. Substitute the x value 4 in this place. X value 4 means 120 minus 2y equal to 100. X is 4 means 30 into 4, 120. Therefore, from this y equal to 10. So, x value 4 means 30x minus 4y. 30x, 30 into 4, 120 minus 40. 120 minus 40. It is the value of city males private company, it is 80. Now, 2y means 20 and 32x, 32 into 4, it is 128, 18y, it is 180. These are the information in the table they given according to note. You can find out the x and y. After that, substitute that x and y values in the given table. X and y values are substitute in the given table. Next question. In city A, 2/5 of female, A city, female, private are 2 parts, total parts are 5, means A city, female, public are 6, public is 3, private is 2, total is 5, means in that city A, the female, private, public total 110 is divided in 5 parts. In these 5 parts, this is 2 means 44, this is 3 means 66. Now, company A, female working in public, female working public company A is what percentage less than total male working, that is male working in city D, male in city D city, the male are 168 plus 42, private 168 and public 42, total males are 168 plus 42, it is 210. So, the difference between less, how much less than means it is 144 less than 210 into 100, 0 0 cancel, 3 7 times, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 7 6s are 42.60, 7 8s are 56, 7 5s are 35, it is 68.5% is our answer for this question. 68.5% is our answer for this question. Next question. What they given it? The number of male public C is 80% of female private B. So, male public C, it is male public for C it is 48. This is the 80% means it is 100%, that is 60. Okay, 12 4 times 12 5 times 4 12 times 4 12s 48 means 5 12s 60. It is female private B. In the same way, female public B. Total female private plus public in B is 216 means already 60 is private females means public females are 156. So, total is 216. Now, find the total female working in public company B. 2 female working, female, that is male, total male in public city A, public company. From city A is how much it is total male public is 20. So, these two ratio 4 5 times 4 3s are 4 9s are 39:5 is our answer for this question. 39:5 is our answer for this question. Next question is the average number of male employees C, male C plus male F. Average 400 means total 800, total 800. In that male C, the male C is 180 plus 48, it is 228. So, remaining are 572, total 800 means male F is 572. 4 by 5 of total employees of from city F are females means male F is 1 part 572, female F are 4 parts, 4 into 572. Total F is 5 into 572, that equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 36, 25, 5 5s are 25, 3, 28. Find the difference between total employees of F and value of 200 Y. Y value is 10 means it is 2000. These two difference is 860. The difference of these two is 860. Next question. Half of the total females working in private company from all cities. It is 110 means half 55 from A, 216 means 108 from B, 148 means 74 from C, 170 means 85 from D. So, this total it is 140 and 182, 3, 140, 182 means 322. It is the female private all. Same way female public, half female private means half female or public 322. Next male public from all cities, it is also all 20 and 732 48, it is 80 100 142. So, this sum it is 142, these two sum is 464. 464 is our answer for this question. 464 is our answer for this question. Next one. In which of the following cities male working in private company less than average number of males working in private company? Male private average, males private average. private males 80 plus 180, 208, 208 plus 388, 388 plus 4, 5, 56 by average is 4, 4 1 time 4, 4 3 times 12, 4 9 times 36, means which cities are less than this average, means this is the 80 is 130 less than 139, 128 is also less than 139, therefore two cities, what means city A and city B are the less than this average, city A and city B are the less than this average. So next question. Next question is, find the sum of male working in city C, male C, and total male working B, male B, male C and male B. Male C is 180 plus 48, 228. Male B is 128 plus 32, it is 160. So total is 380, 80 is our answer for this question. Now the next question. In this, the information is, in the given question two quantities given, quantity 1 and quantity 2, set of P is set of 3 prime consecutive prime numbers and Q is set of 2 consecutive odd numbers. The largest average of largest of P, largest of P plus largest of Q, average 31 means sum is 62, and while the difference of largest of P and largest of Q means it is 24. If we add these 2 by 2, 62 plus we will get the largest of P, 86 by 2, 60, largest of P equal to 62 plus 24 by 2, that is 43. Smallest of largest of Q equal to 62 minus 24 by 2. Now it is 18, 19, this one is 19, 38 by 2 means largest of P is 43, largest of Q is 90. These are in the P set, these are consecutive prime numbers, means before 41 and before 1 is 37. These are also consecutive odd numbers, means before 1 is 17. Now what they want, find the sum of smallest of SP plus SQ. SP is 37 plus SQ is 17. These two total is 54. Now quantity 1 is 54 means quantity 2. First one is 54, second one is 50, means first one is greater than second one. First one is greater than second one. From this quadratic equations now. First one. So 3x square minus, it is 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 3, it is 3, 1 by 3, 0.3. In the same way, now the y values, y square minus 4y plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 4 comma minus 3. The comparison of x and y, from this x is lesser, from this x is greater, that is why it is can't be determined, no relation, that is C, x is equal to y are no relation. Correct answer for this question. Next one for this, x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 40 equal to 0, means x is equal to 8 comma 5. In the same way, y square plus 6y minus 5y minus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 comma plus 5. Comparison of this one, x greater, x greater, x greater, x equal. Therefore, x greater than or equal to y for this question. Answer for this question is x greater than or equal to y. The same way for this quadratic equation, x square plus 7x minus 4x minus 28 equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 7 comma 4. In the same way, y square minus 7x minus 7y minus 5y plus 35 equal to 0 equal to 0. So, y equal to 7 comma 5. In that x is lesser, in that x is lesser, in that x is lesser, for this also x is lesser, that is x less than y for this question. So, next question is from these two quantities, first one is the price of article x, cost price of article x is x, it is x, this one is cost price, and cost price of article y is 180 more than the x. Next one, article x is sold at 25% profit, article y is sold at 20% loss. Therefore, the selling prices of both articles are same, means it is 5x by 4 is the selling price of x, and this is 4x by 5 is the 4 into, is not x, 4 into 4 by 5 of x plus 180 is the selling price of y. Both the selling prices are equal, means after cross multiplication 25x is equal to 16x plus 16 into 180. Subtraction of this one, it is 9x is equal to 16 into 180. So, 9 20 times. Therefore, x is equal to 320. This one is the first quantity 320, second quantity 360. Therefore, first quantity is less than second quantity, 320 is less than 360. Next question, a 100-meter long train P crosses a pole in 4 seconds, means velocity of P equal to 100 by 4, that is 25 meters per second, and it crosses a platform. So, and it crosses a platform means train length plus platform length divided by velocity equal to, that is time 15 seconds. Therefore, in this equation 100 plus platform equal to 15 into 25, that is 375, means the length of platform is 275. Now, train velocity of B they given, length of train B is 25, it crosses the same platform means 275 within the speed of 30 meter per second, time equal to distance by velocity 300 by 30, that is 10 seconds is our answer for this question. 10 seconds is our answer for this question. A mixture contains liquid P and liquid Q. It is 10y liters and this is 6y liters. If add 50 liters of liquid P and 2y liters of Q equal to the ratio of 5:3. After cross multiplication, 30y plus 150 equal to 40y. Cancellation, 10y equal to 150 means y equal to, it is 15, y equal to 15. Next one, pipe x y 10 hours 30 hours. So, Z can empty, it is empty. So, after LCM this is how much means 30, 3 times 3 liters is the efficiency, 1 liter is the efficiency, 2 liters drain like that. So, all the pipes are x plus y minus z all are working at first at 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. After some time z is closed, means only after that working only x plus y. X plus y are working in 3 hour 45 minute, means 3 hour 45 minutes, means 45 minutes is called 3 by 4 hour. So 3 hour 3 by 4 hour means 15 by 4 hours. So for x plus y total is 4, means how much work is completed, means 15 by 4 into 4, 15 work completed. So before 15 work is remaining. In this 15 the completed by x plus y minus z. So how much it is, means efficiency is 2, so 7.5 hours. 7.5 means 9 to 4:30 p.m. 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. is the 7.5 hours for this question. So next one, okay, 91 question. A man uses 20% of his monthly income on watching movies. For movies 20% and another 10% on petrol. For petrol 10%. After these expenses, means movies and petrol, he spent 20% of what's left on food. What is left means after completion of 20 and 30, 20 and 10, 30 completed, 70 is left. In this 70, 20%, 20% means 14% on food, and he invest half of the remaining. After 70, in that 70, 14 are completed. After completion of 14, the remaining is 56. In this 56, half of the amount, remaining amount in SIP scheme, and balance amount for wife, it is 28 and 28%. Now if the total money spent on movies and petrol total money, it is 30% is now 18,000. Then what is the, find how much money, find out how much money he gave to his wife, it is 28. By multiplying this by 600, we will get the answer for this question. In the same way, this is also 0, 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16, 800, 16,800 is the amount for this question. Next question. In this question, the time taken by boat 144 kilometer upstream, means boat minus water plus, sorry, the difference between upstream time and downstream time. On same distance, for downstream is boat plus water is 4 hours. After cancellation 4 once, it is 36. This is also 36, 436. Next, they given what, if the speed of stream is 20% of boat. If boat is and stream 20% means if it is 5, it is 1, it is 5x, this is 1. So in this, so 5x minus 1x, 5x plus 1x. So 5x minus 1x is 4x, 5x plus 1x is 6x, 4 cancel, it is 9 times, 6 cancel, it is 6 times, it is 9 by x minus 6 by x is equal to 1, means 3 by x is equal to 1, 9 minus 6, it is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So what is the difference between these two? 4x, that is 4 into 3, answer is 12. 4 into 3, answer is 12. Next question. Two partners x and y, x is, y is. Initial amounts 4,000 and 6,000 respectively. After 4 months, x invested additional amount of a. So up to 1 year means like that. end of the year the profit share of Y is 90% of X, means this is in this 4 1 time, 4 2 time, 4 3 times. So now the 9 equal to 18 means into 2000. At the same way 10 is also into 2000, means it is 4000 plus 8000 plus 2a equal to 20,000. So 12,000 subtraction, it is 8,000. A value equal to 4,000. The answer for this question is 4,000. Next one. In this graph, first the ratio of number of boys purchased parking. First one, parking boys and girls from A, B, C, and D. Food boys, girls, A, B, C, D. First, the ratio of number of girls purchased food coupons in each 5:4. Total number of boys purchased parking coupons in each school is 100, 100, 100. Every school for parking coupons for boys is 100, and they given boys and girls purchased parking coupons for A, it is 240. 240 means remaining is 140. Total is 240. Next one 280, remaining is 180. Next one it is 200 for C, means remaining is girls is 100. Next 300 means it is 200. This is 300 means this is 200. At the same way food for girls they given in the graph, it is 170. This one is 170. After that 130, it is 130. Now this one is 110, and last one is 140 from this gap. Now girls, it is 170. The given in the graph also girls 130, 110 and 140. These are the 5 parts and these are the 4 parts, means you can identify these things by it is 136, it is 104, it is 88, it is 112. So these are the 5 parts, means how to get 4 parts like that. So this is the information they given in the complete graph. So first from school X, girls, G-I-R-L-S, girls purchased, what is that means? Parking coupons are 20% more than number of girls purchased food coupons, purchased food coupons in school C. School C, girls food is 110, it is 20% more, means 132. In the same way, in the number of boys purchased parking coupons, boys parking in school X is parking coupons in school X 50 more than the number of girls girls food A. Girls food A, it is 170. 50 more means 220. So find the total number of girls and boys purchased parking coupons from school X is 352. Total is 352. From this the total information is 352. Next question. This is food. This is parking for A, for C, for D. Okay. Find the average number of girls purchased food coupons from A plus C plus D. So girls purchased food coupons of A 170, for C it is 110, for D it is 140. If it is 110 extra 30, if it is 110 extra 60 means total 110 plus extra value is 90 for these three, that is 110 plus 30. How much it is? 140. For this question it is 140. Next verse. Next question. In school D school, the ratio of total number of people purchased food coupons, total food by D for all type 21 by 100. For D school food, how much? D school food is 252. So by multiplying this is 12, we will get the 252. Then find total number of people purchased coupons. D is total number of people is 1200. What percent more than the number of people purchased parking in school A? Parking A is 240. So how much more means 960 by 240 into 100. 4 times. The answer is 400 percentage. The answer is 400 percentage. Next one, the ratio of used parking coupons B, used parking by B, unused parking equal to 2 by 5. B parking means total 280 divided in 7 parts. In that 2 parts are used, 5 parts are unused, means it is into 40 into 40. So total used parking coupons are 80, unused coupons are 200 in the city of B, in the school of B. But the number of people used parking coupons in school B is how many more or less than difference between food coupons of A and food coupons of B, these two difference. So food coupons of A is total is 200, food coupons of A. How many? Boys. For boys, food coupons of A. For boys, food coupons of B. It is 136. Boys food coupons of B is 104. Difference is 32. In that 32, 48 is more for used coupons from this. This is the answer for this question. Next one. If the price of food coupons in school B and C is Y each, the difference amount girls B and girls C food, C also food, this difference amount each Y. So that is girls B, food for girls B is 130, girls C is 110, difference is 20, but they given in 20Y, each and every is Y. 20Y is now 200, means Y is 10. Y is 10. So next question. Find the ratio of total number of people purchased parking A plus B together, food C plus D together. Parking A, that is 250, parking B, that is 280, 240 plus 280, now it is 520, and food C is 198 plus food D 252, total is 450. These two ratio 52:45. This is the answer for this question. Next question. The length of rectangle is 50% more than its breadth. Breadth is 2x, length is 3x, 50% more. When the length of rectangle increased by 1/4, means 3x plus 3x into 1/4 increased by this one, and breadth is remains unchanged. Now area for this one, this is old area, this is new area or increased area, whatever it may be. This is 6x square. So it is 3x plus 3x/4 means 12 plus 15. The value of this one is 15x/4. This product 2 times, that is 7.5x square. This difference is 1.5x square. But the given in the question is this increased value is 96, 1.5, that is 6 times 90, 4 times 60. So x equal to 8. Find the difference between original length and breadth. Length is 3x, breadth is 2x. These two difference is x. Difference is x means the answer is 8. Thank you.